Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Monday to you. It is Monday, November 8th, and I am live back at Aroma Time. So Marcus and I had an awesome weekend this weekend with our guests up in the Finger Lakes. We took 16 people up to the Finger Lakes and took them to wineries, and it was amazing. The wines we had were amazing. The people that were on our tour were amazing, and we had a really grand time. So it was really cool. I don't know, I said this on my Facebook Live this morning, but Marcus and I get really lucky. We get some really awesome people on all of our trips, and they all just click and they get together and they work, and it's really awesome. So thank you everybody for joining us on our Finger Lakes trip. If you are interested in traveling with us in the future, please let us know, and we'd be happy to get you some information. We'll be going to Mexico in April, to the Valle de Guadalupe, and you can taste wine. But we had a great weekend, so thanks everybody who joined us in the Finger Lakes. It was great. Thanks everybody for joining me right now. Hello Jason, hello Gregory, hello Christine. Hope everybody is well. I'm a little bit earlier today than I normally am. I've been running a little bit late almost every day that I've been doing my Facebook Lives, but I appreciate you watching me. I appreciate you joining me. It's really great to see all of the different people that watch me at different times, and that to me is really awesome. So we are open tonight. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and Thursday we have a private party here at Aroma Time. We have a wedding, and so we will not be open to the general public on Thursday. We will be actually closed on Thursday. Tonight we have a wine dinner, 4 wines and a dish for $29. We have quite a number of people, so if you would like to join us for that, please give us a call, 845-647-3000. Call right away. Our dish tonight is a chili. That will be what we serve tonight. We'll be making a vegetarian chili as well for those who are vegan or vegetarian. And our $9.99 special this week is tiki masala chicken with rice and broccoli. That is to go. That is our $9.99 to go special, and it will change on Thursday. So we'll have a new special on Thursday. We have it'll change and it'll be on Friday because we don't have, we are not open for regular dinner on Thursday night. We have a wedding happening here at Aroma Time, so that is exciting. And let's see, so today I am going to be making a pumpkin spice latte, cold pumpkin spice latte. I'm going to be using this pumpkin spice from Bloomery called Sweet Shine. I'm going to be using Cowboy coffee liqueur from Springbrook, and I am going to be making this vegan, so I'm going to be using almond milk and a little bit of agave. And yeah, so I wanted to make a pumpkin spiced white Russian, but I didn't want to use milk and I didn't want to use cream. I really wanted to use almond milk, so I'm naming this a pumpkin spice latte, a cold pumpkin spice latte. So, we also have an awesome pumpkin spice vodka from Cooper's Daughter, really awesome. You could use that in there. You could use espresso vodka from LIV. So you can use a coffee liqueur, a pumpkin, you can use pumpkin puree, you can use regular vodka. So you can choose what you would like to use. So I am going to add 2 ounces of pumpkin spice. I am going to add about 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. I am going to add 1 ounce of LIV vodka and a splash of agave and about 2 ounces of almond milk. You can use regular milk for this as well. Hello Hillary, hello Sven. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I always love to see who is joining me. Let's see how this comes out. You could put a little bit of coconut cream on top of this, put whipped cream on top of this. So let's go ahead and see how this pumpkin spice latte, coffee latte came out. Look at that, it's nice and creamy looking. Love it. All right, let's go ahead and taste. That's really good. Hello, Cheryl. Hello, Terry. Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for watching me. Wow, that's yummy. Pumpkin spice cold latte for you. So we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We have our $9.99 tikka masala chicken special that ends tonight. That is to go. We have a regular menu available as well. We are busy trying to catch up from being away all weekend. We left on Friday, came back today, so we've been gone. We did catering this weekend. It was a super busy weekend, and we are here tonight to serve you. So make reservations if you know that you're coming in, 845-647-3000, and I hope everybody has an awesome day. I will try to be live tomorrow around 4 o'clock. I am going out for a friend's birthday tomorrow, but I should be able to do a live before I go. Hope everybody has an amazingly awesome night. It was gorgeous out. I went out for a walk. My cheeks are a little rosy. And get out tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice as well. And have an awesome, amazing night. And cheers. And thank you, everybody, for being here for Marcus and I. And we will catch you all soon. Bye-bye.